students, welcome to Vidya Minad. This video is made for class 8 on chapter number 9, Algebraic Expressions and Identities, and today we are going to begin with exercise 9.5 from NCERT. Now this full exercise is based on the identities. That means you need to know certain formulas, and for that please don't get scared. One by one we will do it slowly and steadily, and with lots of practice you will start remembering the formulas. So let's begin with question number 1. Use a suitable identity to get each of the following products. So now one by one I will be telling you the identities. You may write down somewhere so that you can learn it. Now first part, x plus 3 into x plus 3. Now both x plus 3, if you see, they are same, that is x plus 3 the whole square I can write it at. Now this has a formula of a plus b the whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So learn this by heart. Now what is a in this question? X, the first thing, and b will be 3. So we will just put x and 3 in the formula to get my final answer. So it becomes, instead of a square I will write now x square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 the whole square. Now it becomes x square plus 6x plus 9. This is your final answer. Like this we will do all other questions. Second part, 2y plus 5, 2y plus 5. Both the brackets are same, so I can write it as 2y plus 5 the whole square, which means the formula used is a plus b the whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now in this question, a is my 2y and b is my 5. So just put it into the formula. You will get your answer as 4y square plus 20y plus 25. Third part, 2a minus 7, 2a minus 7. Both are same, so I can write it as 2a minus 7 the whole square. So this is the category of a minus b the whole square. So you need to learn this formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now we will put the value of a and b in this. So what is a? A is 2a and b is 7. Now put it into the formula of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So I can rewrite it as 2a the whole square minus 2 into 2a into 7 plus 7 the whole square. So your final answer is 4a square minus 28a plus 49. Fourth part, 3a minus half into 3a minus half. So this is also the category of a minus b the whole square. The formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now a here is 3a and b here is half. So put it into the formula. You get 3a the whole square minus 2 into 3a into half plus half the whole square. You get your final answer as 9a square minus 3a plus 1 by 4. Fifth part, 1.1 m minus 0.4 into 1.1 m plus 0.4. Now here you see you have a minus b and a plus b, which means you need to learn a minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square. A here is 1.1 m and b here is 0.4. Put it into the formula. So you get 1.1 m the whole square minus 0.5 the whole square. So your answer comes out to be 0.21 m square minus 0.16. Next, the sixth part, a square plus b square into minus a square plus b square. Let us rewrite this. It will become form of b square plus a square into b square minus a square. So what is this into the form? A minus b, a plus b. See, both the first term and the second term are same. Only the sign is different. One is plus, one is minus. So you will apply the formula of a square minus b square, which is, what is a over here? A is b square. The first term is b square. What is b here? A square. So put it into a square minus b square. So instead of a square it will be b square the whole square, which is b raised to power 4 minus of What is b square now? Instead of b, I will write a square, the whole square, which is a raised to power 4. So the final answer is b raised to power 4 minus a raised to power 4. 6x minus 7, 6x plus 7. Now both are same, only the sign is different. One is minus, one is plus. So formula is a square minus b square. So 6x the whole square minus 7s the whole square. Answer is 36x square minus 49. Next, minus a plus c minus a plus c. So I will try to keep minus in the center, so I can rewrite it as c minus a, c minus a. Both the terms are same. It means this is c minus a the whole square. So the formula applied here is a minus b the whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now a here is c and b here is a. So it becomes c square minus 2 into c into a plus a square. So final answer is c square minus 2ac plus a square. Ninth part, x upon 2 plus 3y upon 4, x upon 2 plus 3y upon 4. Both are same. That means I need to apply the formula for a plus b the whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A here is x upon 2 and b here is 3y upon 4. So just put it into the formula. So it becomes x upon 2 the whole square plus 2 into x upon 2 into 3y upon 4 plus 3y upon 4 the whole square. Let us see the answer. You get your answer as y square upon 4 plus 3xy upon 4 plus 9y square upon 16. Last part, the 10th part, 7a minus 9b into 7a minus 9b. Both are same. That means I can write it as 7a minus 9b the whole square, that is a minus b the whole square. So the formula applied over here is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a here is 7a and b here is 9b. Put it into the formula. It becomes 7a the whole square minus 2 into 7a into 9b plus 9b the whole square. Your answer comes out to be 49a square minus 126ab plus 81b square. Question number 2. Use the identity x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b whole x plus ab. Now let us look into the questions. X plus 3, x plus 7. That means in this case your first term is same, x, and 3 and 7 are different. That means 3 is a and 7 is b. So put it into the formula, x square plus 3 plus 7 the whole x plus a into b, that is 7 into 3. So x square plus 10x plus 21. Next, 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 1. Now x here is 4x, a is 5 and b is 1. The formula is x square, that is 4x the whole square, that is 16x square, plus a plus b. What is a? 5 plus 1 the whole 4x plus 5 into 1. So final answer is 16x square plus 5 plus 1 6. 6 into 4 24x plus 5 into 1 is 5. Next, third part, 4x minus 5, 4x minus 1. Now x is 4x, a is minus 5, b is minus 1. Let us put it into the formula, that is x square plus in the bracket a plus b the whole x plus a into b. So what is x square? 4x the whole square plus in the bracket a plus b. So a is minus 5 minus 1 the whole x. What is x? 4x plus in bracket minus 5 into minus 1. So 4x the whole square plus minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6 into 4x plus minus 5 into minus 1 minus plus. So 5 into 1 5. So answer is 16x square minus 24x plus 5. Fifth part, 4x plus 5, 4x minus 1. So let us put it into the formula. 4x the whole square plus 5 minus 1 the whole 4x plus 5 into minus 1. So you get 16x square plus 16x minus 5. Fifth part, 2x plus 5y, 2x plus 3y. So x is 2x, a is 5y, b is 3y. So when you write it like this, write the formula, you will never do mistake. So 2x the whole square plus 5y plus 3y in bracket 2x plus 5y into 3y. Answer comes to 4x square plus 16xy plus 15y square. Next, 2a square plus 9, 2a square plus 5. Now here what is x? 2a square. What is a? 9. B is 5. Put it into the formula. It is little tricky. Be careful. 2a square the whole square plus 9 plus 5 into 2a square plus 9 multiplied by 5. So 2a square the whole square means 2 2s are 4. A square into square is a raised to power 4 plus 28a square plus 45. Next, xyz minus 4, xyz minus 2. So here x is xyz, a is minus 4, b is minus 2. Put it into the formula, you get x square y square z square minus 6xyz plus 8. Question number 3. Find the following squares by using the identities. Now if you look at till now we have done 3 identities. A minus b the whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a plus b the whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and third is a square minus b square, which is not in this question, so that is why I am not in. So these 2 identities will be applied in this particular question. So number 1 is b minus 7 the whole square, which is a minus b the whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Answer is b square minus 14b plus 49. xy plus 3z the whole square. So a plus b the whole square. So it will be written as xy the whole square plus 2 multiplied by xy multiplied by 3z plus 3z the whole square. So final answer is x square y square plus 6xyz plus 9z square. So please do it step by step, slowly and steadily. You will never do any mistake. You should know these 2 formulas by heart by now. Next, 6x square minus 5y the whole square. So a minus b the whole square, I can write it as 6x square the whole square minus 2 into 6x square into 5y plus 5y the whole square. You will get answer as 36x raised to power 4 minus 60x square y plus 25y square. Next, 2m upon 3 plus 3n upon 2 the whole square. So a plus b the whole square formula, you will get your answer as 4m square upon 9 plus 2mn plus 9n square upon 4. 0.4p minus 0.5q the whole square, that is a minus b the whole square, which means I can write it as 0.4p the whole square minus 2 into 0.4 into 0.5 plus 0.5q the whole square. You will rewrite it as 0.16p square minus 0.4pq plus 0.25q square. Next, 2xy plus 5y the whole square. This is a plus b the whole square. So I can write it as 2xy the whole square plus 2 into 2xy into 5y plus 5y the whole square. So final answer is 4x square y square plus 20xy square plus 25y square. Question number 4. Simplify. Now by now you should know the formulas, all the formulas, and using those formulas we will simplify this. A square minus b square the whole square. What is the formula over here? A minus b the whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So answer comes to a raised to power 4 minus 2a square b square plus b raised to power 4. Next, 2x plus 5 the whole square minus 2x minus 5 the whole square. Now here we can do this question by two ways. It is your choice, whichever method you want to do. Now first method is you will apply the formula of a plus b the whole square and a minus b square the whole square the formula. Okay, because 2x plus 5 the whole square is a plus b the whole square. 2x minus 5 the whole square is a minus b the whole square. Put the formula, solve it. You will collect all the like terms together and see if anything gets cancelled. You are left with only 40x at the end. Another method of doing is, we know the formula of a square minus b square. A square minus b square can be written as a minus b, a plus b. Now in this part, a is 2x plus 5 and b is 2x minus 5. Put it into the formula, multiply, you will left with 10 multiplied by 4x, answer will come 40x. So any of the methods you like to do, you remember the formula, you can do that. Please take care of the minus sign outside the bracket because you need to change the sign afterwards. Next, 7m minus 8n the whole square. So this is a minus b the whole square plus 7m plus 8n the whole square. This is a plus b the whole square. Put the formula, you will get, and all the terms, collect the like terms. The final answer comes out to be 98m square plus 128n square. Next is 4m plus 5n the whole square plus 5m plus 4n the whole square. In both the cases, I need to apply the formula of a plus b the whole square, which comes out to be 16m square plus 40mn plus 25n square plus 25m square plus 40mn plus 16x square. Now collect all the like terms. You have m square partners, you have mn partners, you have n square partners. So final answer comes out to be 41m square plus 80mn plus 41n square. Next, 2.5p minus 1.5q the whole square minus of 1.5p minus 2.5q the whole square. In both the cases, we will apply the formula of a minus b the whole square. So be very careful here because there is a minus sign in the center. You need to open the bracket, and when you open the bracket, you need to change the sign. So careful that you will get your answer as 4p square minus 4q square. After collecting the like terms, they will get subtracted or cut or cancelled. You are left over with only the square terms. AB plus BC the whole square minus 2AB square C. So first is you will apply the formula of a plus b the whole square, which means a square b square plus 2ab square c plus b square c square minus 2ab square c. Now there are two partners of my plus 2ab square c minus 2ab square. Both are same, both get cancelled. You are left with only a square b square plus b square c square. Next, m square minus n square m the whole square. That means I will apply the formula of a minus b the whole square, which means it becomes m square the whole square. It becomes m raised to power 4 minus of 2 multiplied by m square multiplied by n square m. So I can rewrite it as minus 2m cube n square plus n square m the whole square, which becomes n raised to power 4 m square. So I can write it as m square n raised to power 4 plus 2m cube n square. Now minus 2m cube n square and plus 2m cube n square both can get cancelled. You are left with only m raised to power 4 plus m square n square. That is your final answer. show that. Now here you have a left term and a right term. We will solve both the left and right side and see whether our left and right side are matching or not. First case, 3x plus 7 the whole square minus 84x. So apply the formula of a plus b the whole square. You get 9x square plus 42x plus 49 minus 84x. So when you collect the like terms, you get the answer as 9x square minus 42x plus 49. Your right hand side has 3x minus 7 the whole square. So apply the formula of a minus b the whole square. When you do that, you get 9x square minus 42x plus 49. Your left hand side and right hand side both are same. Same way we will do all the other parts. 9p minus 5q the whole square plus 180pq. So left hand side, first apply the formula of a minus b the whole square. You get 81p square minus 90pq plus 25q square plus 180pq. Now collect the like terms. You are left with 81p square plus 90pq plus 25q square. This is your left hand side. So right hand side you have 9p plus 5q the whole square. So apply the formula of a plus b the whole square. It becomes 81p square plus 90pq plus 25q square. So both the left hand side and right hand side are same. Third part, 4m upon 3 minus 3n upon 4 the whole square plus 2mn is equal to 16m square upon 9 plus 9n square upon 16. So first let us solve the left hand side. It is the formula of a minus b the whole square. So you will get 16m square upon 9 minus 2mn plus 9n square upon 16 plus 2mn. So minus 2mn plus 2mn both get cancelled. You are left with 16m square upon 9 plus 9n square upon 16. Both your left hand side and right hand side are coming same. p cube plus 3q square minus 4pq minus 3q the whole square is equal to 48pq square. So your left hand side is made up of a plus b the whole square formula and a minus b the whole square formula. Take care of the minus sign. So it becomes 16p square q square plus 24pq square plus 9q square minus 16p square q square plus 24pq square minus 9q square. So while collecting the like terms, you are just left with 48pq square. All other gets cancelled. Your right hand side also is made up of 48pq square. So your left hand side is equal to right hand side. Fifth part, a minus b, a plus b, b minus c, b plus c, c minus a, c plus a is equal to 0. We know the formula of a minus b, a plus b. This applies the identity of a square minus b square. So according to this, when I solve it, I get a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. All get cancelled. I get 0 as my answer. So my left hand side is equal to right hand side. Question number 6. Using identities, evaluate. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to evaluate the following terms as near to hundreds possible or the zeros possible. Like 71 can be written as 70 plus 1 for calculation getting easier. This becomes the formula for a plus b the whole square. So I can apply the formula. It becomes 70 square plus 2 into 70 into 1 plus 1 square. So 70 into 70, 4900. 2 into 70, 140 plus 1. You get answer as 5041. So by this our calculations becomes easier instead of multiplying 71 into 71. Same way now 99. How can I write 99? 100 minus 1. That becomes 100 minus 1 the whole square. So that means a minus b the whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 1 plus 1 square. So solve it, you get 9801 as your answer. Next, 102 the whole square can be rewritten as 100 plus 2 the whole square. So a plus b the whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. You get 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 2 plus 2 square. Answer comes to 10404. 998 can be written as 1000 minus 2 the whole square. This means a minus b the whole square identity, that is 1000 square minus 2 into 1000 into 2 plus 2 square. So it becomes 996004 as your answer. Next, 5.2 square. This can be written as 5 plus 0.2 the whole square, which is a plus b the whole square, can be written as 5 square plus 2 into 5 into 0.2 plus 0.2 the whole square. You get your answer as 27.4. Sixth part, 297 multiplied by 303. Now how do I write this? So 297 can be written as 300 minus 3 and 303 can be written as 300 plus 3. Now this is into the form of a minus b, a plus b, which is a square minus b square. So I can write it as 300 square minus 3 square. Answer comes to 8991. Next, 78 into 82. So what can I do for this? 80 minus 2, 80 plus 2. So this is also a minus b, a plus b identity, which is a square minus b square. So 80 square minus 2 square. Answer comes to 6396. Next, 8.9 square, which can be written as 9 minus 0.1 the whole square, which is a minus b the whole square identity, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it can be written as 9 square minus 2 into 9 into 0.1 plus 0.1 the whole square. Answer comes to 79.21. Lastly, 10.5 into 9.5 can be written as 10 plus 0.5 and 10 minus 0.5. So this is a plus b, a minus b. Formula is a square minus b square. So 10 square minus 0.5 square. Answer comes to 99.75. Question number 7. Using a square minus b square, which is a plus b, a minus b, find the values of the following. So 51 square minus 49 square. How can I write this? This is a square minus b square, that is a minus b, a plus b. So 51 plus 49, 51 minus 49, which is 100 into 2. Answer comes to 200. That is easy calculation. So you don't have to square and find and subtract. Just try to use the formula and do it. 1 minus 0.2 the whole square minus 0.98 the whole square. So a is 1.02 and b is 0.98. So 1.02 plus 0.98 multiplied by 1.02 minus 0.98. So it comes to 2 multiplied by 0.04. So answer comes to 0.08. Third part, 153 square minus 147 square. So a is 153, b is 147. So 153 plus 147 and 153 minus 147, which is 300 into 6. Answer comes to 1800. Next, 12.1 square minus 7.9 square. So a is 12.1, b is 7.9. So 12.1 plus 7.9 and 12.1 minus 7.9, which is 20 into 4.2. Answer comes to 84. Now using x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, find the values of. Now we are given the question 103 into 104. We will convert it into first x plus a into x plus b form, and then we will apply the formula. Now 103 and 104 can be written as 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 4. Now here x is 100, a is 3, b is 4. So 100 square plus 3 plus 4 into 100 plus 12. How 12? 3 into 4 is 12. So you will get 10712 as your answer. Second part, 5.1 into 5.2 can be written as 5 plus 0.1, 5 plus 0.2. Now here x is 5, a is 0.1, B is 0.2. So now let us put it into the formula. It will become 5 square plus 0.1 plus 0.2 into 5 plus 0.1 into 0.2. That becomes 25 plus 1.5 plus 0.02. Answer is 26.52. Third part, 103 multiplied by 98. So it can be written as 100 plus 3 into 100 minus 2. So x is 100, a is 3, b is minus 2. So put it into the formula, 100 square plus 3 minus 2 into 100 plus 3 into minus 2. So you will get 10,000 plus 100 minus 6. So answer is 10094. Next, 9.7 into 9.8 can be written as 9 plus 0.7, 9 plus 0.8. X is 9, A is 0.7 and B is 0.8. So put it into the formula, it becomes 9 square plus 0.7 plus 0.8 into 9 plus 0.7 multiplied by 0.8. You will get your answer as 95.06. That's all for this exercise, children. Full of formulas, full of identities. Basically, you need to learn 3 to 4 identities. Please learn it thoroughly. See what is X, what is A, what is B. Write it down so that it becomes easier for you to substitute into the formula, and do it very carefully. This exercise requires lot of practice. Please do it. Do not ignore. This will be further helpful in your next classes. So please make sure your concepts are clear. Thank you, children, for watching the video till the end. Very soon I am going to come with the next video. Till then, see you, children. Take care. Goodbye.